Is back with our forecast and a nice ending to an otherwise crazy weather year, huh?
Yeah, it has been. You know, we've had all kinds of extremes. Started off with extreme cold early February. You know about the drought. You know about the extreme heat we had this summer. And as we've gotten into the past several months, we've had some nice rainfall. Who'd have thunk, but it has been such. Let's take a look at what we have out there right now. From the latest out in San Marcos, Chuck Nash Chevy Buick GMC dealership providing us with this live internet feed of the weather out there. No cloud cover showing up there, and honestly, that would be a beautiful summer day, but it has been a nice, cool morning, and we do have some nice weather to be had out there for the rest of the day. Let me take a look at what we have, first of all, showing you what we have out there let me punch the right button. There we go. And you can see on our website. This is one of my concerns for the next several days. We don't have any significant weather, but it's the cedar levels that are now high. We usually get into January and see these numbers peak, but it's very important because we have a very windy day expected on Sunday, starting early Sunday morning. A lot of folks probably out and about still into the late hours, may start to see the winds blow up, but with cedar getting ready to just explode, it's obviously going to stir it up. It's not going to be so centralized to where the cedar trees are, but everywhere. So watch for that. Also, if you are interested, also head over to our weather blog. If you click on, go to KXAN.com, click on the weather tab, and then at the bottom of the weather tab is our weather blog there. You click on that, and you will get this 2011 year of weather extremes. I highlight the extreme cold. We had record-breaking cold, if you remember it. Had snow recorded at Camp Mabry, and then you know about the drought and the extreme heat. And then we started getting a little rain in here, but it, of course, didn't help with the area lakes. We still see problems with those. It is, I know it looks kind of dry. I didn't have any pretty pictures in here, but I tried to keep it very short. But it gives you a good idea of where we stand. And heading into next year, of course, we're wondering what's going to happen. Speaking of which, if you're going to be out tomorrow night, 2012 ushered in at midnight. If you're going to be out tomorrow evening, about 7 o'clock, 66 degrees. By midnight, 54, and then 52. Now, if you're out after 2 a.m., there's a good chance that things are going to start to get a little windy and, well, and cooler. We only expect high temps in the 50s on Sunday, and it gets even colder Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. In fact, maybe some freezing weather where you live for those mornings. That's a rough way to start off the new year, especially when you're gotten used to being off, or maybe the kids are used to being off. Early mornings are going to be rather chilly. 69 degrees, sunshine, and winds out of the north at 7 right now. We have temperatures this morning that did not get to freezing. Had 30s, had a 39 in Mason, a 37 in Fredericksburg, got down to 34 out at Austin Bergstrom International Airport, 37 for Georgetown, San Marcos, and Lockhart at 39, 38 in Bastrop, 37 in LaGrange. Everybody else in the low 40s. At the moment, I love this, 70 degrees in Llano. 60s in surrounding areas. We have 69 here in Austin. We've got mid-60s everywhere else. It's looking nice, and the same across the state. 50s to 78 in Brownsville. Now, we do have clear skies. We have a little front to the north. We're looking for another front tomorrow evening. That will really Sunday morning, and that's when we're going to see things get windy. So sunny skies continue. Cold front on Sunday. Rain-free forecast. Looks like it. Looks like the next 7 days are going to be quiet, so future clouds and radar has nothing to offer us for rain. Not for now. 70 degrees for the high today. Just a few high, thin clouds out there. And to the evening hours, 44 the overnight low, and then things change Saturday night into Sunday morning. It's almost as if the new year is bringing new weather, but we do see windy conditions for the new year. Happy New Year, by the way. Everybody, please be careful out there on the roads. Even if you're not the one that's out partying, other people will. Please watch for them. We start off at 32 for the morning low on Monday, 30 on Tuesday, 40 on Wednesday, and a 39 on Thursday. Doesn't guarantee a freeze, but it's possible in surrounding areas. We'll have more on our forecast coming up.